Alright, YouTube, I have a question for you. So, just got this back. I had another T-maxx that I took this engine off of. Jeez, people are loud. That I took this engine off of, and because I didn't want to deal with the carb issues, so I just put a new engine on. But I'm not stupid, I will fix the carb. But I just stripped this gear. I don't know how, if it focuses. I don't know what happened, but I was running it and then it just stripped out. And now, I don't know what's wrong with it, but here, I'll start it and it'll kind of putter, and then it'll just start screaming like it's in full bore, but I'm not even pressing on the throttle. So here, let me start it for you. See if I can get this. Situated. Well, here, I'll just hold it like this. So you get this. Here, let me give it a little gas. So yeah, it just sits there and screams, and I don't know what to do. I mean, it seems like the fuel line is getting air bubbles in it. I don't know if that's the case. I have it at, what is it? Factory is 4 full turns. So I have it at 3.5 right now. And I've been messing with the idle screw, but maybe it's just that this clutch isn't hooked up yet or something, but I have no idea, and maybe you guys do, I don't know. But so yeah, that's my issue right now. Probably have to order one of these parts. So thanks for watching. Thanks for dealing with the crappy cam ring. See ya.